Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Race 5 Smokehouse and Grill. And today we are going to be making some beef plate ribs. But the purpose of this video is actually to check out this Hardcore Carnivore black rub. Seen a lot about it online, heard a lot of great things about it that is great for beef. So might as well check it out. Here we go, stick around. Alright, so this Hardcore Carnivore black beef seasoning, the ingredients on here are sea salt, garlic, sugar, black pepper, chili powder, onion, and activated charcoal. Now that activated charcoal is what's really interesting, because if you could see by the color of this, it's really black and it looks like charcoal. Now I haven't even opened this to taste this yet, I've never tried it. Really interested about that charcoal. Is it going to give any sort of aftertaste? Is it going to be gritty or powdery? We're going to find out. Oh, it smells great. You can tell the garlic in there, the onion. But look at it. It's black. Black everywhere. All right. So I've got my beef plate ribs here. We are going to go ahead and season this all up around the sides. I'm not going to do the back. That's just a membrane that you're really not going to get any flavor with, so we're not going to deal with that. This did have a fat cap and silver skin on there. I already took that off, and I've got the Weber Kettle fired up right now, so that's where we're going to go on. Let's rub this bad boy up. You could already see how crazy this looks. I've never seen a rub like this being so dark, which is going to give it a great look when it cooks. It's going to have a really nice dark bark. Almost looks like you're rubbing dirt on here. I guarantee it's not going to taste like it. There is our rubbed up beef plate ribs with Hardcore Carnivore black. We're going to cook this on the Weber Kettle. We're going to shoot between 250 to 275 until they're done, which we're looking at about a 200-degree internal temperature of the meat. So let's get this on the grill and we'll see you back here in a second. Okay, we got the beef ribs on. We are currently using the slow and sear. You don't need to do the slow and sear, but you could also just stack up. You know, you want to cook this in direct heat. You could just line up coals around the back if you don't have the slow and sear, or you could use some charcoal briquettes or charcoal baskets that come with the Webers. Anyway, it'll be fine. Just cook it in direct heat. I'm going to close this up. We're going to go about 250 to 275 until it's done. I'm not going to wrap it, not going to do anything. We're just going to let it run. So we'll be back in a couple hours to check on it. Okay, we are rolling along really nice. It's about a 260 internal temperature of the grill. Internal temperature of the ribs themselves right now is reading about 154. I'm going to give it a little spritz of water just to keep the surface moist. But this is coming along really nice. Starting to get the pull back on the ribs here. So we're gonna let this go. It's gotta go about 50 more degrees. It's been 2 hours so far. And we'll come back here in a little bit and check on them again. Okay, ribs are reading right around 200. Let's take a look and see where we're at. Oh yeah, these are looking fantastic. Super tender. Yeah, going through like butter. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to pull these off, tent them in foil, and let them rest for about a half hour before I slice them and get into them. We've been sitting here for about 30 minutes, letting this rest, let all those juices redistribute back in there. Come back down a little bit in temperature. Now it's time to cut. Let's see what these bad boys look inside. This bark is unbelievable looking with the activated charcoal in there. It gets you that nice dark black bark, and it looks amazing. Alright, let's cut. Oh yeah. Look at this. Look how juicy that is. I love beef ribs. Cut a piece of this off and try it. I did try some of the rub by itself, and it is flavorful. There's a lot of pepper and the garlic and a little salty. It's great. I can only imagine this is going to be fantastic. Wow. All I could say is wow. Great beef ribs. This rub, unbelievable. Wow, I'm gonna have to try this on a brisket and some chuck roast. Check it out, Hardcore Carnivore Black. It is awesome on beef, holy cow. Anyway, if you liked what you've seen, give me a like, share, subscribe, check me out on social media, Facebook and Instagram, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers and thanks for tuning in. Talk to you guys later. Peace.